What are you doing?
I tried to read a manga, but I can't understand it.
Just use AI to translate it.
Oh. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence has impacted our daily lives? From the moment we wake up to the alarms in our phone and to what social media shows us, artificial intelligence has quietly shaped the way we act, talk, and communicate, or even make decisions. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go straight in.
I am Jamila Muhalin from ATAKI.
Okay, my question for you is, what can you say to those who overuse AI or those who rely on them in decision making?
First, I would like to say that AI isn't necessarily bad. In fact, it was made for us to use in our everyday life. It was made to simplify things for us so that we wouldn't have so much workload. But if people overuse this, I can say is that it lessens their critical thinking skills, and it also leads them to become more independent in AI. And there is also a study that the overuse of AI can lead to entrenchment, thematic entrenchment, and can lead to grandiose delusions such as they believe that AI is an authority above God or that AI is a love interest. And those are just only a few dangers of AI. And to be honest, I would suggest that people who overuse AI stop and just regulate their use because, ayun.
I'm Ma'am Rosemary Tuang, grade 9 teacher, cookery.
My question for you is, based on your experience, can AI make life easier for people? If yes, how so? If no, why not?
Based on my experience, yes, it is very important to us nowadays. Like, there are some of gadgets that we use. AI is a big help to us, especially there are some studies like us as a teacher, di ba, kami mga teacher, I'm not the cookery teacher. It is a big help to me for that.
My question is, do you think it is advisable for an individual to use artificial intelligence or AI to help with everyday decisions?
No po. Kasi for me, pwede, like, magagamit lang po sana natin to if, like, acceptable lang po. Kunwari, like, may valid reasons lang po kayo. And, kasi po, minsan po, nagka-cause po ng cheating ka na.
AI may work quietly, but its impact is everywhere, shaping how we think, communicate, and decide each day. As it continues to grow, what matters most is not just using AI, but using it wisely, while staying true to what makes us human.